All right, friends, so we are going to work on abstract nouns today. So we've previously talked about common nouns and proper nouns. These are called abstract nouns, okay? These are a little more confusing, right? So they are feelings or ideas that are things that you can't see, smell, or touch. So common nouns that we've been talking about, we could see, we could smell, we could touch, right? Abstract nouns are feelings or ideas that I can't see, smell, or touch. Examples would be things like bravery, childhood, boredom, freedom, love, sorrow, friendship, joy, luck, and courage. So these are things so all of these words and all of these ideas are things, but they're things that I can't see, smell, or touch, right? I can't touch love. I can't touch friendship. I can't touch luck. I can't touch joy, but they're all still things. So remember, abstract nouns are feelings or ideas that are things you cannot see, smell, or touch. Things like bravery, childhood. Okay, childhood is a thing, but I can't touch childhood. I can't see childhood. I can't smell it or hear it. All right, very good, guys. Abstract nouns.